Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So as the heading might state, yeah, we kind of lie about what we do. We did not say to the people or you our subscribers exactly what we do at JDM headquarters. A couple years ago when we got that place, we started out on a specific mission where we would find cars that are, for want of better words, in need of rescuing. Maybe a slight damage somewhere, maybe an engine problem, a transmission problem, and we used to restore them and put them back on the market for sale, and we kind of targeted a specific customer base. We kind of deviated from that for a bit. Maybe it was a passion thing, other interests stepped in and we went with other things, so we kind of branched out a little bit. But now we're coming back to our core business, and our core business is really providing motor vehicle solutions to low to middle income individuals, finding cars that would suit them. Today we got through with something. This was parked for like 2 years. It's a Honda Stream 2010. We got through to that with a good friend of mine who has been looking out into that space to find cars like this for us, and we got one today. But we are going to be moving and restoring this. So a couple things need to happen. Number one, the suspension is shot, so the control arms are gone on both sides, and I think the shocks too, so we need to look at those, change them out. Number two, the front bumper needs replacing. It might look like it's alright, it's being held together by screws. So one here, so one next one here, one more here, so, and I think one to the side here. So we're going to change the front bumper, give it a fresh look, get the grill back together, and also get fog lamps in there. With that, we also need to do a spray job, complete detailing, interior. The seats aren't, in terms of the sponge, aren't in bad condition, so it's really to clean. AC vents kind of stay away. One thing I like about it is that the center console isn't damaged. Normally on these cars, these are the first things to go, but in this one it's in good condition. I like the interior color, which is the blue and gray seats. So we're going to get the seats shampooed and fully detailed. The roof liner as well needs to be detailed. All of them something. So we're going to right through the car. At the end of it, we should have something viable to put back on the market. We already have so we should already have a couple of things for it already. It needs somebody here. You can see like as if somebody or something happened to the side door here, passenger door, and also here needs to be, we need to take this out and weld it back, and all the things that body men do with that. And the back bumper needs to be, we have to take off that too and fix it. It's not so much physical damage, but based upon the color is in a burnt state. So we're gonna try to see if we can fix those things and have the car available for sale sometime early December. Well, if early December or late December, one of them. But I like it. I wanted to get back one for myself, but it just never worked out. But this one, I found it, or my friend found it for me, and make we get it on a little price, so it will work for now and move forward. But as we said, our thing is not just to do repairs on motor vehicles. We are not just racing. As you can see the Civic, well, I carry the Civic today for start tear down, but we want to also move back into providing car solutions, mobility solutions for customers that probably need some help with some things, but they don't have the new car money. So we have to find something so them can use, get on the road, move around them family and them kind of things. So This is one of two that we'll be reviewing today. The next one we're supposed to go pick it up later on, and then we start the process of restoring them. So we have two locations where I work simultaneously to finish these cars. So this one is probably Tony may send this to Tony have the time. The other one, when we pick it up, we do a quick assessment on the body work and see how much work it needs, and then if anything we just send it straight to the spray man and let the spray man. There's a body man down here, but he's always busy, so if it's something light, he can ask him to just take care of it and we just move forward with that. But for now, we're going to penny this, start move on that, and then we're going to pick up the other one. Right, see it now, guys. See it here. O'Neil! How far you reach? Right, man, rip out everything. Man, rip out everything to right, engine I take out, you know. Next move, I have to pull up a ground. CV? The CV joint gone? Where the soft or what? You bought the bus? Alright, let's see if we can find.
Why not? None of can't take the pressure?
No, sir. Papa made a line already, you know. When them say, oh, aftermarket, bad man. First launch, rock up. First pull. Pop out, and you bust right in our shaft. Clean, buck off clean. Alright guys, see there, engine take out today. We had a number of ups and downs. I never record picking up the other car. We picked up a steel, guys. It's a Nissan Tida in the other shop. We leave it at the body man already. Nissan Tida, we get it for a cheap price, 2009, and we were able to secure that with the option to sell it as it is, because we get a call today say somebody want a car right now, and we just never in the position to let it go right now, because I have a personal standard that I want to maintain, and that means I would want to ensure that the vehicle is in a condition that I'm comfortable with. I want to make sure it's clean. I want to make sure the color is in tip-top condition. I also want to make sure that the bodywork and everything is fine. The prep work. Well, the prep work starts already. From the drop off the car, the body man go to work. So hopefully when we go down there and take the pictures, it's going to look totally different. So sorry I didn't get the sorry, I just never think at the time. But so two cars that secured, the Honda Stream and the Tida, they are both now being worked on. I got a front bumper for the Honda Stream, and the Tida start work on. Now we're at the shop, we ask the guys them to take out the engine out of the car, the black car today, which it's done. See it up on ground. We're going to start organize up the engine bay now and get things kind of on a level. And we also collected some items to finish the build. So remember we said we will take the head off of that engine, put on this block. I think from the last time we had the head gasket. We got the sprouts for these. So we're going to screw out these and put in the new ones, because we're going to run a 4-port catch can, and that also means that we're going to relocate the battery, put the catch can where the battery is currently at, and then run the wire to the back of the car for the battery. Alright, so we have the cams also we're going to use. These are some tuner trays, or these are the rods from the door. We just never dash them away. Keep them still, and some screws for the door latches. We have them. I don't remember. Oh, this is the AC compressor. I think I remember saying to the guys, a video in the channel that we're gonna try and modernize the Honda Civic and remove some of the stuff off the rotating assembly. So you see the same time me I see it too. Yeah, so we'll go with a twin disc setup. Remember, we say we don't really have no whole heap of money to spend on them something, because we're not all that rich, you know what I mean? So I spend a little lunch money where we can find it here and there. Yep, so this is a clutch out the box, Adler Speed twin disc with the clutch release bearing and the twin disc setup here. No, they're not giving an alignment tool. Jeez, let's figure this out. Jeez. Hopefully the instructions are in here somewhere. I think I see them. Yeah. So instructions are in here. We're going to put in a pedal stop. We need a pedal stop, 2 stickers, and does it say installation specs? Use factory grade 10.9 crank bolts, use red Loctite, we have that, use a appropriate alignment tool, use release bearing, yeah, we just need to know the torque specs so that we don't over torque this thing, as well as get a pedal stop put in place. We need a pedal stop, guys, running either twin disc or triple disc or whatever on a run. Once it is above factory grade, you need a pedal stop. That's how you get crank walk problem. What is this? What is this? So I play with the red car, guys. So we get an AM Infinity, hopefully it's alright, out of a BMW, but regular the same, normally it is the same thing. So this is the AM Infinity 704, I think, or 7 something. And we also got the connectors for it as well. So tomorrow or Monday, we're going to complete the disassembly of the B16, take off the head, and make sure it's everything alright. Well, more than like the engine did good, so we're not supposed to have a problem. So I really disassemble, take off the head, clean up, wash up, and then start the process of finishing assembling this. So I put the head on top of this, do a timing, timing belt. See there, we get the ARP, these are our ARP fasteners that we got for the flywheel bolts, and we buy a brand new Gates RPM belt, which is a blue one. Pretty. Let's go and put together the engine. Think I might change off about the oil pump. Put on the oil pump that come off of my car, and then basically put back the engine in the car. So we see how it goes still. We're going to fit up. Alright, see that, guys. I'm going to tell you about this other car we get. Tida. Start work on it already. Start work on it already. So yes, sir, Rocky. By weekend we can get it. By tomorrow, him can done up the body work and thing. Alright. Alright, guys, so just to catch up, these are the doors that we had cut out for the Civic, and these doors were used in the last race meet. Unfortunately, they got burnt when the Land Rover got burnt at the garage. So we're now in the process of trying to salvage, or we tried to find some additional doors. Those were not coming, and we're unable to secure anymore. So we're just gonna clean these up, send them down to the body man, and have them repaired and cleared, sprayed inside and out, and then cleared. In terms of the glass, however, we have to go with Lexan. There's no negotiating around it. The glasses were all broken due to the fire, so we have to now move to doing Lexan glasses. As you see, burn marks on the doors, but the good thing about it, the doors are actually lighter now. So we're gonna get the body man to do some cleaning sanding, and also preparation for priming. So we're gonna prime the entire door, spray the flat block on the inside, and we're gonna do color and clear on the outside. So all of this will be back in one color in the next, hopefully in the next video.